Ken from Alliance with the sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to show you what we have going on the floor here. We built some cabinet washers for one of our customers for cleaning engine components. And I want to show you just a quick difference between a cabinet washer versus an inline. So the machine in front of me here is an inline system where it has a conveyor belt. This is our Aquamate line. So parts are placed on the conveyor and they will travel through process zones. They could be wash, rinse, blow off, dry, whatever the product requires. So they come in a multitude of shapes and sizes. Now in front of me here would be a batch cleaning system. This would be our Aquamate line. This would be a front loading cabinet washer. You can see this machine, the door swings open, parts are loaded onto a rotary table. Now in this case we have a very special fixture design. It holds a very specific engine part, and so we've got spray nozzles on the sides for cleaning. We've got spray nozzles down below the conveyor. We've got air knives in here that are used for the blow-off process. Here we've got a small air knife that has our riveted knife design. You can see all the little slots in the back that allow adjustability for that air knife to go up and down. So that's one example of a batch system. I can come around here and now we've got another one. This one's got the door closed, and you can see again another Aquamate machine. We do custom controls. In this case, the customer wanted a viewing window in the front of the panel for their viewing pleasure. And then I'll walk you over to a third machine. Now this one, again, we did UHMW strips on the table, for keeping, contact, not metal to metal, so we can put a machine surface down on this and it'll protect it. Then we've got some little Delrin stubs there that will keep the part in position. Again, custom nozzle configurations and arrangements. And again, we've got the riveted air knife with the adjustability, sprays down below for very, very effective cleaning. This is just one of the many sweet things going on at Alliance, so I hope you have a sweet day. Thanks for watching.